So this is how you can use your camera on Roblox. Let's go on ahead and open up the app, and there will be 5 buttons at the bottom of the screen: Home, Discover, Avatar, Chat, and More. You're gonna want to tap on More and then scroll down until you find Settings. Now, let's go on ahead and tap on our Privacy, which will show these 7 items: content maturity, communication, visibility, trading, ads, preference, blocked users, account deactivation, and deletion. You're gonna want to tap on communication, and then obviously, let's tap on camera input. Now, as you can see, it says use camera to animate your avatar with your movement. Your video will not be shared with Roblox or other users. Camera is not available on certain devices. I'm pretty sure it doesn't work on laptops or PCs, but it will definitely work on your iPad or your iPhone. So let's tap on this to turn it on, and as you can see, it says saved successfully. The green dot indicates that Roblox is using your camera. So now, whenever you join a Roblox game, you can go on ahead and tap on the camera icon to turn it on. If it's green, that means it's turned on. So, what does this do? Well, basically, if you have an animated face on Roblox, and if you, let's say, close your eyes in real life while the camera is facing you, it's going to close the Roblox eyes. So basically, it's going to follow what your face is doing and input it whenever your character has an animated face or animated head. That's pretty much it. Whatever you do with your real life head, that's what your Roblox head is going to do. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.